Welcome to Redline Review.
No official 2026 Bugatti Motorhome exists. However, Volkner Mobil's Performance S Premium Motorhome can fit a Bugatti Chiron in its integrated garage. This Bugatti-branded campervan, which can fit the Chiron, is the epitome of mobile luxury. Performance engineering. The chassis is built on a Volvo or Mercedes-Benz base. Engine options: 454 horsepower Volvo or 424 horsepower Mercedes. It measures 12 meters, 39.37 feet in length, 2.5 meters, 8.2 feet in width, and 3.85 meters, 12.6 feet in height. The garage has a patented central garage that can fit a Bugatti Chiron or similar sports car. Interior splendor. Increases living space from 30 to 35 square meters, 323 to 377 square feet, with a slide-out section. Amenities: full kitchen with induction stove, oven, microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, espresso machine, huge bathroom with separate shower, and master suite with elevated island bed. The interiors can be customized to the owner's wishes, using high-end materials such as hand-laid Macassar wood veneers and leather upholstery. Tech and sustainability. Power systems, equipped with a 2,000-watt solar array and 8-kilowatt generator for onboard power. Climate control. Multi-zone heating and cooling for optimal comfort. Water storage, 750 to 1,000 liter, 198 to 264 gallons, freshwater tanks. Pricing, availability. Base price, around €2,035,000, $2.4 million for the motorhome alone. The Bugatti Chiron package can cost above $7 million, depending on customization and options. Pros: unparalleled luxury, combines 5-star hotel comfort with RV mobility. Integrated supercar garage, allows high-performance vehicles to be brought without trailers. Customization, provides several customization choices to satisfy affluent clients' needs. Cons: limited market penetration due to high cost. Size and maneuverability, difficulty in parking and navigation due to its big size. Compared to normal RVs, operational costs such as maintenance, gasoline, and insurance are much greater. There is no official 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, but the Volkner Mobile Performance S delivers the utmost in mobile grandeur with its unmatched luxury and ingenuity.